Okay, for example number 2, it says using transformations to graph a rational function. We want to sketch a graph of the reciprocal function. Well, the reciprocal function is f of x, which is equal to 1 over x. And it's telling us to shift 2 units to the left. So if we're shifting to the left, that means we're adding 2 to the value of x. And then it says we're shifting it up 3 units, so that we're adding a 3 to shift up. And it says identify the horizontal and vertical asymptotes of the graph, if any. So if we're shifting the graph left 2 and up 3, then it would result in this particular function. Now, we can go ahead and simplify it further with a common denominator, which would be f of x is equal to 3x plus 7 over x plus 2. But if you take a look at this graph here, we will notice that this is the reciprocal function. So what we've done is we've taken the center here and we've shifted it over how many units? Well, we shifted it to the left 2 units, which then gives us the vertical asymptote. And then they're telling us that we're shifting it from here up 3 units. And so therefore there's the 3 units. So this is going to be the center of the new graph, which is where you see that here. So therefore you can see now that the vertical asymptote is x is equal to -2. The vertical asymptote is y is equal to 3. And we just shifted this function accordingly. Now notice that this function is defined at x is equal to -2, and the graph also is showing a vertical asymptote at x equals -2. So what it's saying here is that as x approaches -2 from the left, then the function is going down towards -infinity. And as x is approaching -2 from the right, then the function here is going up towards positive infinity. So what it's saying here is as the input increases and decreases without bound, the graph appears to be leveling off at output values of 3, indicating a horizontal asymptote at y equals 3. So as x is approaching positive and negative infinity, then the value of f of x is approaching the horizontal asymptote, or the output of 3. So notice that the horizontal and vertical asymptotes are shifted left 2 and up 3 along with the function.